Namaste. Today we can learn how to make one mark sheet which is giving automatically the total percentage and the rank of the students according to their mark. I have created one mark sheet here, already entered the marks. We can go there. This is a 10th standard mark list. Here you can see I have entered English mark. There are 5 subjects usually in 10th standard they are studying 5 subjects according to the CBSE rule. So here 5 English, second language, mathematics, science and social science. Okay, these are the 5 subjects normally. Okay. The thing I am going to show is here science mark is together of physics, chemistry and bio. So here when we enter the mark here physics, chemistry, bio mark, we should get the total in this column, in this cell. Like that in this column all the mark. Like that history, geography, economics together social science mark should come in this column. Okay. This is a first thing to study. There are 2 methods to add the cells or the value of the cells in Excel sheet or in Google sheet. Okay, here whatever we are going to give, whatever formula we are going to type in the Excel sheet or in the Google sheet, we have to start with an is equal to always. Here we need the total of physics, chemistry, bio. So there we have to put one equal symbol. Then which all cells we have to add, click all the cells in between 1 plus you add, then enter. I will do the thing. First I am clicking this one, then it came there F7, then adding 1 plus mark, then again second cell, then plus mark, then last cell. Okay, then if you enter, that mark will come there. When you enter, the mark will come there automatically. Total mark 21, 20, 20. It is a 61 mark. Already I have entered all the mark in the sheet. That's why it is giving one suggestion. If you want to add the formula below in this column full, we can select enter this tick mark. Okay, accept this tick mark. Otherwise, after entering this marker, click in the cell, then click and drag to down. Click and drag to down to the end. So the same formula calculated the marks which left side of the 3 cell, left side of this mark. See 59.5 got because of these 3 cell, 66.5 we got because of the adding of these 3 cells. Okay. So automatically came here. So you can drag the cell to the other cells to get all the answers, or you can double click in this corner. You can see one blue square, small blue square in the corner. You bring the cursor will become a cross, then double click, then you double click. All the calculations will come there till wherever the mark is there in the left side, till there the answer will come. Okay. Second method to add the column is, I will show you again. You put is equal to, then there is one formula to add, that is known as a sum. Okay, you type sum, then you start a bracket, open a bracket. We are going to add the reference name in this bracket, so it will be added automatically. Which all cells are these cells? What is the name of the cell? Actually it is a F and 7. See, this is F7, this is G7, this is H7. Okay, these 3 we are going to add. One more thing, it is a continuously F7, G7, H7. There is no any other cells in between. Continuous all cells we need. So very easily simply click and drag. Now you can see F7 to H7. This is known as F7 to H7. Google Sheet will add all these values of this F7 to H7. Then close the bracket, then enter. Then still we go to the mark. Again we can drag or double click here. Answer came. This is the 2 methods to add the marks. The same method we can use here for social science also. I am adding is equal to and typing the sum, then bracket open, then dragging these cells, then bracket close, enter. See, I am suggestion I am accepting, so all this mark came. So this is the method to add the mark. And if we change the mark in between, automatically it will. So now I am changing the mark, automatically you can see the mark going to change. See, now it's changed to 62. If I am changing to 20, it will change to 69. Okay, like that we can change the mark. Now we have to get the total mark of the all 5 subjects. Which all 5 subjects are? These 3 subjects are English, second language, mathematics, and science total and social science total. These 5 columns you have to add. Here also 2 method we can use is equal to. First method, you click simply all the cells, is equal to first marker plus second marker plus third marker plus science marker plus social science mark. Finished. Then enter. Then we can add all the marker by drag here. Now all the mark here. And the second method is also we can do the combination of clicking and dragging. I will show you. See, here I am going to equal to mark. Then you can use a sum of which so here one thing is these 3 marks are continuous, but here in between 61 there are these 3 mark also there. We cannot drag from here to here. All mark will be added. So we can drag from here to here, then this one only, then this one only. So that's a problem. So but sum, if you use the sum, we have to use the reference number of the cell. So how to do? First we have to drag these 3. Okay, till there it is okay. Then put 1 comma. So it will add from here to here, from here to here 3 marks. Then which marker? This mark. Simply click there. Then put 1 comma. Then click this mark. Okay. Put 1 then close the brackets. Then it will add C7 to E7, it will be added. Then what is a I7 mark and what is M7 mark, it will be added. Okay, so enter. Then we can drag the mark to down. Okay, this is the method. So you understood how to take the total of the marks. Now we have to find out the percentage of this mark. You know the same, all the equations, mathematical equations we can do in the Excel sheet and in the Google sheet, no problem, it will work. So here how to find out the percentage of a mark of a student? Very easy. The mark he got divided by total mark of the subjects, then into 100. Okay, that is method, no? So equal to what is mark he got? This one, 346.5. Click on this cell, then divided by total. How many subjects are there? 5 subjects. Each subject is 80. So 8 into 5, 40. So 400 total mark. Total subject mark 400. Then to get percentage into 100. Okay, for into we have to type this mark. Then 100. Then enter simply. Now we are getting all the marks percentage accept this. All the mark accept percentage we got automatically here. Very easily we got the percentage of the children. This is the method. Now one more thing I am going to show you how to take the rank of the student. Which student came first and which student came second and which student came last. Okay, all these details also we are going to do in this sheet. That also easy. Select the rank, first cell rank column, then is equal to, there is a formula in Google Sheet named rank itself. See, I typed here rank, open the brackets. In this bracket, which mark rank you need of this mark? Okay, first boy got a 346.5. This mark rank we need out of these, considering with the all this mark, what is the rank of this mark? So first you select that mark. Okay, I selected that mark, that came, reference number came there, 07. 07 mark rank. What is the 07 mark rank among these children? That is the meaning of this one. That is the meaning of this one. So selected that mark. Now among which all mark this mark rank? Among all these marks. Among all these mark. So for that we have to put one comma there. Then we have to drag from here to last. So it will come there, no? So first and last cell will come. See, 07 to 028. Among 07 to 028, this mark rank, what is this mark rank? That is this meaning. 07 rank what? What is the 07 rank among the 07 to 028? That is the meaning of this. Okay, so this mark is out of these 22 children, this child is 9th position. Okay, 9th position. In the equation, in the equation second 07 to 028 should not change. In all cells it must be same. Okay, 07 to 028, that reference should not change. Always that same mark from here to last. We have to lock. How to lock this? It is simple method. After that letter, after that English letter, you add one dollar symbol. So here I am adding one dollar symbol after this O. Both O I added, with both O I have added a dollar symbol. Now it is locked. Now enter. Now you can drag down. Dragging down. See, now only 1 is there, only 1 2 is there, only 1 3 is there. Why 3 10s are there? Because why? All numbers are same, all marks are same. That's why 10th position. If same mark is coming, same position will come. Okay, that you know. So now it is. Now we can understand what is the rank of each child. But this is not in order the rank. So we have to sort these names. How to sort these names? Select the name from name to this number. This is which page? This is which column? Q. Okay, this is a Q column. Which one? The rank level is coming in Q column. Okay. Now go to data. Then select sort range. Then which column we have to sort? Q. Because the rank level is in Q column. So select Q. Now this is a ascending order and this is a descending order. Ascending order means the smallest will come first, and descending means the highest will come first. So we need a first rank first. First rank means number 1. Okay, number 22 last. So we have to get the smallest number first. So this is correct, ascending. Select this one and sort. See here 1 2 3 4 5 automatically orderly it came there rank wise. So you can see this name, the boy is the first one, and this boy is the second one, and like that first, second, third, which position we need, all the position you will get till the 22. Okay, that is the method of sorting and ranking. I hope you understood how to select, how to add the columns and mark, and how to take the total, and how to find out the percentage and rank of the student. We will meet again with a new topic next time. Till then, goodbye.